Hello everyone from Bitcoin Talk. This is SO98NN. I'm going to review a website called Roobet.com. So this website is basically a casino, online casino that you can play over your browser. The website is very smooth and it can run swiftly on any device. Currently, I'm reviewing this from an Apple, that is MacBook Air. So this site has all the games that you would love to play for fun, for money. So as you can see, there are slot games, crash games, different game shows out there, blackjack, and the card. If you love the cards, and there is roulette, mines, dice, towers, you name it. All the games are there. If you click on any of the type of the games, you will see that there are different types in between. For example, I have clicked the slot games, so you can browse around 900 available titles of titles here on the Roobet. Okay, as you can see here, so you can just search it here. If you play often, then you will come to know which game is favorite for you. As I scroll down, you can see different games are there: Snake Arena, React to Tunes, Tom of the Madness, etc. So you can either view all the games or recently played games here. So you can see that this is a very easy to use website. Also at the bottom you can see all the wages that are being played right now and how much people are winning or losing, both the types. You can see here, you can see the usernames, or if they are hidden for the privacy purpose, then you can hide your username as well. Okay, you can see the high wins here. See, if you notice, then this website is very easy to handle. Everything runs very smoothly. I have no hard time clicking on any tab. You just get all the results very quickly. So this is about the game section. I will divert you to the account section where are different support things are there. For example, cashier, which is very important thing when you play a casino. So if you need to buy a Bitcoin or Ethereum, you can just choose an exchange here. Okay, different platforms are there. They have recommended us Exodus, iPhone, Coinbase, Cash App, and blockchain, etc. You can buy and send directly with your credit cards also. That option also is there, so you don't have to go through the exchange hassle. You will be given a private Bitcoin address. Means that address would be linked to your Roobet account, so you can use that as well. If you want to go via Ethereum, then they have option for Ethereum as well. This is my Ethereum address, if you can see here. So this is deposit section. Also notice that Bitcoin section is very instant. So if you have initiated a deposit with the Bitcoin, then it will get deposited within one confirmation, as you can see here. If you want to withdraw your winnings, then you can just put your Bitcoin address, you put your amount in USD, and the very good thing is they only charge you 0.40 cents for your transaction fee. So that is very less. That is Bitcoin. And also if you want to withdraw in Ethereum, then you have Ethereum as well. The fees are again less here, 0.36 cents only. So if you want to give tip to anybody, let's say your friends are online on Roobet, if you want to give them a tip, then you can just put their username here. You can just put amount, then wallet, whether you have to give them Bitcoin or Ethereum, you can do that. If you want to include the note, then you can just put a personal note here and you can send a tip. So there is also one interesting section I have seen here on the Roobet that most oftenly not given on any casino, I guess. So you can get a free money if you don't have to put your personal Bitcoin or Ethereum. Then you can just earn it freely here by doing some surveys. For example, if you click on the free tab and then click on the surveys, then you can come to this section and you can have lots of offers here. Right now there are some here. So you can see that the survey tab has been opened. So you will be given 20 points, 103 points, different points based on what offers you are getting currently. You can complete the surveys and earn even more. Okay, this will be credited straight to the Roobet account. So that is very interesting section here. So just free money, and you can just grow that money by playing different games that you love. Okay, not only surveys, there are also promo codes are given frequently on the Roobet. So you can just put promo codes and redeem your rewards here for free, and then you can also play the games with it. So that is the cashier section. If you go to the account section, You will be given different options here, like if you want to link your different accounts, social accounts, that is Google and Steam is given here, so that you can publicize your account more, because this is very important. When you will be giving affiliate links to everybody or your friends, you can also earn a reward. We will get to that section in short. You can secure your account very promptly, because see, you have to put your money here, so the account must be secure. You can enable two-factor authentication. If you doubt that there are multi-device logins, then you can just log out here quickly. Privacy section is there. You can hide your username, so that it won't be displayed in the waging section. Verification, you can put your personal info here for the KYC verifications. You can also block the users which you don't like. So that is often given because few people will be disturbing you, or you may not like somebody, etc., etc. You can just block them. That option is also open here. So that's account section. Now let's go to the affiliate section. So for now, you can see that they have given you referral link here. This is my referral link with my username. We can share it. We will get us a rewards. That is a rewarding system of Rubet, so that you can get upgraded to the different levels. As you grow up, then your earnings will also grow up. Since this is my first time, I have not shared my link yet. If I get the referrals, then I can earn the money and I can claim them. Then I can also put that money into my cashier so that I can play with it. Then history. If you go to the history section, you will be given all the deposits, withdrawal, and all the transaction that you have made in the history. Then there is also a good section, that is live support. If you have problem with cash deposit, cash withdrawal, and anything, you can just go to this live chat window. Here you can see that 3 to 4 people will be live all the time. They will reply you within few minutes as they claim. So that is also good support, which you don't easily get into casino. So this one is also good section. So that is all, guys. I think this site is very good. There are different games, almost 1,000+ games are there to play from. So this is also good pastime you can have. You can also earn money. You can also play this with your family. So that is a good thing about it. And I guess in the situation of COVID-19, as everybody is at home, this is very good site to play around with your family and have a good time within your houses. So guys, stay home, stay safe, and play Rubate. Thank you for watching.